All right, I'm here with Abigail and Clara from Gong, and we're going to play Guess That Company Emoji. The first one should be pretty easy.
Chime.
Looks like gong.
Bingo, bango.
Oh, heck yeah. All right.
Oh my gosh. Gong?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Come on,
It's Chili Piper.
Chili pepper.
Owl sweet?
All I can think is Owlette, which I know is not good.
No.
Who's the out? Hootsuite?
Ooh.
Okay.
This guy's on a roll. Close.
Hootsuite.
Yes.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh,
Claire's
Clara,
killing it.
get it.
All right, here we go.
This one's tough.
Oh, yarn. Yarn AI?
No, nothing.
Red.
Red yarn. I have no idea.
Bloom.
Yeah, that's a deep cut.
Oh, that's good.
This one's tough. Give you a hint. They're sponsoring here.
They're sponsoring here. Oh, man.
They are here at this conference.
Mittens, gloves.
Don't know.
Hand glove?
Is it outreach?
It is Outreach.
Oh,
Okay. Outreach.
Survey Monkey. Oh, Survey Monkey? No, it's not Survey Monkey?
It's close.
MailChimp.
MailChimp. Boom. MailChimp.
Ooh.
Is that a bridge or train tracks?
Track.
Book track?
I'll give you a hint. You're very close to one of their employees.
Something rail?
Storylane.
Storylane.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Storylane. God, that's embarrassing.
Geo. World.
Nope. Global, like HR type of thing.
Oracle.
It's a rippling competitor.
Deal.
Boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
Deal.
Okay, last one.
Insights,
that close?
insight something.
Give me a hint here on this one. Chart.
Stock's going up. Look. Outlook.
Insight.
Okay. All right.
Gainsight. All right.
Oh.
There you go,
I got
Jason.
myself
Doing
a
pretty
50%.
good. Joe, not too bad. Not too bad. You did pretty good.
Being kind.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
absolutely.